Hey, hello, tutor, classmates. My name is Wilson Vasquez. I am 39 years old. I am studying telecommunication engineering. I work an energy company. My wife, she names Catherine. She's a housewife. My son's name is Juan. He study electrical engineering. Um, my daughter, she's named Maria. She practiced artistic gymnastics. Last Saturday, I woke up early, checked the mail, did some homework. In the afternoon, we went to a mall and at night we watched a movie. On Sunday, we attend church, listen to music in the afternoon, um, and go to bed early to get up early on Monday. Thank you for your time. Blessings.